Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a talking AI avatar just like me. First, go to ChatGPT. So this is what we're going to be using, and then write a prompt. Help me create a talking avatar. Help me create a talking avatar text to image prompt. I want her to be a young African American woman in her late 20s with her natural hair packed in high puff and wearing an animal print frame glasses. Okay. So this is the prompt we're going to be sending to ChatGPT. We want it to generate a text to image prompt for us. And so this is the prompt that ChatGPT has generated for us: a realistic portrait of a young African American woman in her late 20s with smooth brown skin and all of that. So now I'm going to copy this text, this prompt, and then I'm going to be taking it to another AI. All right. So now come to your Google search and just search for Piclumen. Okay. Piclumen AI. So this is one we're going to be using to generate our image. All right. So this is it. So once you tap on that, just you register with your email and all of that. So this is it. I'm going to be here. They said describe your image. So I'm just going to be posting I'm going to be pasting what I copied from ChatGPT here. Okay, so this is it. So this is the exact prompt. Of course, you can tweak your prompt a little bit to the way you want it to be to suit your personality or whatever. So this is the prompt, and let's see what it's going to generate from. This one is directly from ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see what it's going to generate for us. I don't really like this picture. I think another thing is that it's too like straight into the camera, and then the puff is not really showing, her hair is not really showing. Okay, so I had to tweak the prompt a bit to suit the one I really want. Okay, and this is what I got at the end of the day, this, and I really liked it, right? I really liked it, so this is it. So now you can, to change your face, let's say you want to swap your face to make it to be your own face and not just the AI's face, you can come to Remaker AI face swap. All right, Remaker AI face swap to swap your face. So upload the original image. This is the image of the AI. You're going to be uploading the image of the AI here. I'm just going to show you image of the AI here, and then your own face here. All right, and then you can swap it to the way you want it to be, and it will be swapped to your own face. Okay, to your own face. I don't know, it's the AI kind of look like me. They tried, actually, they tried, kind of look like me. Okay, so this is it. I'm just going to download this one. All right, I'm going to download this one. So now we're going to be going to Hedra AI. This Hedra AI we're going to be using going to the video session. Okay, so go to character, you upload your image to the image of the AI that you got, then audio script, you upload your audio, or you record your audio, or you generate speech. But I'm going to be uploading an audio that I generated from 11 Labs, where I got, or I recorded. Anyone, you see, you can generate from 11 Labs, you can record. Okay, but this one is going to be my voice anyway, that's I recorded. All right, so this is going to be my own voice. So I was able to fix in my voice, and then I'm going to be writing out the prompts. Okay, so you have to write out a prompt of what do you want the image to do while she's talking. All right, okay, so now I'm just going to write out the prompt, what I want her to be doing. Okay, so that's what I'm just writing currently. She's looking at the camera while talking, moving her head slightly and her hands slightly. Okay, so now Hedra AI is going to take some time because we're using the free version. Hedra AI is going to take some time to load, and this is it. This is it, and then you can download your video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to create a talking avatar. So this is it, and then you can just download the video, and that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.